Namaste to all my homeopaths. Recently, I conducted a webinar, but many of my close friends are not able to attend it. So they want to know what exactly I presented. So just a small glimpses today I am going to present for all my dear friends, to all my homeopaths. So that I will consider it as the role of homeopath during and after lockdown. So my presentation is to tribute to our master Samuel Hahnemann. Welcome all. I'm going to discuss the things like introduction, historical background, unnatural tendencies by people, homeopathic approach, doctrine of signature, solutions during and after lockdown. So you all know about the coronavirus causing illness ranging from common cold to more severe diseases. How the things started from a small city, from a city of Yuan. In the month of January, the record how it got increased and how the whole world is affected and it declared as the pandemic in the world. So transmission is between animals and people. Symptoms are fatigue, fever, sneezing, coughing, shortness of breath. So older people and those with underlying medical problems like high blood pressure, heart, lung problems, diabetes or cancer are at higher risk of developing serious illness. History of pandemics. In the history, we have seen the Black Death, that also known as the plague, and during that 75 to 200 million people in the 14th century they were killed. And in 1980 Spanish flu, in 2009 influenza pandemic H1N1, 2019 to 20 coronavirus pandemic, now at present this COVID-19 era. Flu pandemic of 1918, you can see the newspaper, death brings warning of influenza, ban on dances is placed by health officer, schools closed, no services in church. Whatever the scene today we are having, the same happened during 1918. Unnatural tendencies. As a homeopath, it is very important. We need to understand this at the scientific point of view. And in Shakespeare, there are many the explain throughout the plays and all unnatural and unkind, unworthy and unnatural tendencies are there. So this is one slide. This person question mark, good or bad, choose wisely. I deserve it. A dil mange more attitude should come down. Now many global big companies, they are changing their strategies. The strategy now would be not a competition but a cooperation. You need to be the kind. You have choose wisely. There are the three things, that is your need, want, desire. Now really you need to understand the true meaning of this and need to follow this. Lockdown is self-analysis for all of us. Environmental factors are also responsible. So there are articles from Kevin Olive. When you bring animal together in this unnatural situation, you have the risk of human disease emerging. Many articles are coming about this relationship, environment, humans, animals. We cut the trees, we kill the animals or catch them and send them to market. We disrupt ecosystems and we shake viruses loose from their natural host. When that happens, they need a new host, often we are it. So disturb ecosystem, that is the one message I want to give you. The antidote is to return to natural systems. That is the antidote. So recently I watched the movie Contagion. I think you also watched it. It was more discussed. So you can see at the complete movie happened, the complete scenario, they have shown how the things all over the world it happened. And but again in the flashback, just a few minutes to finish the movie, they show about the day one. The day one is the how the infection is transmitted. In a flashback, in the movie, in a flashback, a bulldozer knocks down a banana tree while clearing rainforest in China, disturbing the natural habitat of some bats. One bat finds shelter in a pig farm and drops a piece of a banana, which is eaten by a pig. The pig is slaughtered and prepared by a chef in one casino who transmit the virus to Beth in a handshake. So the culture of clicking photos and all, making closer contacts, and this is how the day one, the host. So this is, so as a homeopath, this is the my main thing, the message today I want to give you all. So as a homeopath, what you can do, your role is clinician, researcher and counselor. As a clinician, you can handle the OPD cases, distribution of preventive medicine and creating awareness. As a researcher, follow the ICMR guidelines, case studies, exploratory, explanatory, descriptive, interesting study, instrumental case study and collective case study. As a counselor, ready for handling anxiety, insecurity, fear, panic, combining homeopathy plus counseling. And homeopath personal level must be calm and positive. To counsel other person, we need ourselves to be the positive, calm, then only these things are going to happen. So that is our role. Management for these three things can be done: preventive medicine, during and after. These are the three things we can do. Before, like a population, those who are not affected, we can go for preventive medicine. During, the Bogar approach you can use. After, I will discuss. So there are many reports are there about genus epidemicus. Aphorism number 100, 6th edition of Organon is giving the guidelines for genus epidemicus. So Journal of America Institute for May 1921 had a long article about the use of homeopathy in the 1918 flu epidemic. Dr. P. Shankaran's booklet of prophylactics in homeopathy is worth referring in this connection. So Ayush and Central Council for Research in Homeopathy has told about arsenic album 30. Arsenic album 30, which is made with the solution of arsenic trioxide on an empty stomach for 3 days. So we will follow this. So this is one thing. And from Pune, Dr. Parvez Grant, Managing Trustee at Ruby Hall Center, 600 of the medical staff were tested for coronavirus, and out of these 18 nurses have been tested positive. So they believe, the Dr. Grant sir believe, administrating SQ along with homeopathy, the complication in COVID-19 patient have reduced tremendously. No complication in any patient. Homeopathy and HCQ, that is hydroquinone, together have worked positively, as all of the 18 nurses don't have respiration problem. Homeopathy increases a person's immunity, which helps them fight against viruses and bacteria. So combining the two, allopathy and homeopathy, able to cure more and more coronavirus patients, and this will be the correct line of treatment until the world finds a vaccine. This is one good example Dr. Grant sir has presented. So these are the rubrics, generalities. You can zoom here. Physical, common violent complaints, progressive disease, reaction lack of, vitality decreasing, fever insidious, chest inflammation. These at the physical level you can take these rubrics. New information, the new ENT from UK, they are telling the symptoms are coming. So take smell, loss of wanting, taste wanting, loss. Immune response, we want a remedy that it should have a capacity to augment the immune response toward inhibition of the virus replication, promotion of the virus clearance, induction of the tissue repair, and triggering the adaptive mechanism. So Bogar approach, location sensation. So time modality is a sudden, progressive, location respiratory, pathological general, whatever are available with you, physical general, thirst, thirstless, concomitant, modality, characteristic, particular, and mind. So during, if Neminath Homeopathic Medical College and many other homeopathic hospitals are doing, so they can follow this. This is the correct line. This is my opinion. Symptoms are from day 1 to day 14, the symptoms are different. So as a homeopath, we should understand. So day 1 to 3, cold and flu-like symptoms. mild or no throat pain. Day 3, 1 to 3 is welcome back, friends. So just for the small study, I have just taken some mind rubrics, probable mind rubrics for the affected population of coronavirus. There could be the rubrics like anger tendency mistakes overuse, anger tendency suffocate to attack with escape attempts to. We have seen like people don't want to get isolated, they were trying to escape. In Patak repertory also escape impulse to. Discontent wrong everything another does is. Sadness wrong way as if having done everything in during headache. Death desires. Some of the incidents like it happened, some one person committed the suicide. So the that kind of mind rubrics. Hopefulness, positiveness. You can see many videos, those who are affected, they are coming about their story with very positiveness and hopefulness. Surely that mind rubric we can take. This is very basic, but just to give you idea. And one, despair alternating with hope. So just give one thought process. I am discussing this. So what about the mind rubrics of unaffected population? Fear disease of, because this COVID-19 era, everywhere the things is, so this could be one rubric. Fear disease of despair of recovery with. Boredom feeling, Murphy repertory they have given. Death elements from aggravation loved ones of, right from the big stars like Irfan and Rishi Kapoor and many of the relatives, so they are losing their beloved ones, the death rates. So this is the mind state of the population. Freedom desire for, you can see like many people want their own freedom. Injustice, general injustice cannot tolerate, so they feel whatever happening is injustice to them. So that is rubric for unaffected population. Anxiety money matters about, anxiety business about. So what is going to happen, whatever you can see all over the population, the small shop and all the daily wages, everything. So they can have, we can't apply one common fear for everyone. We have to see what are their reaction, what is their concerns. So just to give one thought process, you can consider the good remedy will come to you when you are going to take a totality. Anger tendency touched when they don't want to get touched even at this is the mind rubric. Alcohol, alcoholic drinks amelioration. Complete repertory is giving this. The alcohol is now lot of in news is alcohol. So that is amelioration. Alcohol, alcoholic drinks amelioration. It is also coming in the mind rubrics. Man is the epitome of universe. This just one article I have written. Doctrine of signature and explanation of Dhatura stramonium plant for coronavirus. So some of the images they have seen. So it has come up with the stocked. So like that. If we go for the doctrine of signature, this is the thing. One more doctor was discussing about racinus, and recently very senior homeopath come up with a concept of bedbug. This is just the latest thing which is these are the studies. So this line of thought processes are going all over homeopathic fertility. Panchakosh, dear friends, I am the author of book Panchakosh, Homeopathy is Divine Science. So everyone is talking about eat good, breathe well, and the mental thing. So see, our human body is made up of Annamaya Kosh, Pranamaya Kosh, Manomaya Kosh, Vijnanmaya Kosh, and Anandmaya Kosh. So eat well, eat healthy food. That is our physical level. Pranamaya Kosh is breathe very well. Complete breathe, you have to take a fresh air, have a positive thought, take some sunlight. Mind, be positive, be kind, be progressive. You have to keep all the emotions with well versed. So this is during lockdown, this is very important message I want to give to each and every homeopath. As a homeopath, you need yourself, you need to be positive, calm, strong will, for taking new cases and handling old cases. Talk to your patient regularly and keep in touch with them. Keep your action plan ready to avoid any surprises. Keep your employees motivated by sending messages 2 to 3 times a day, upgrading their knowledge. So employees, maybe your receptionist might be there, your housekeeping is there, your watchman is there. Right from small clinic to big clinic, at least we are having minimum one maid. So communicate with them. If you plan for it, be in touch with them. For your patient, give the regular message, like you can give the medicines by using the technology. The guidelines for talk on a telephonic consultation is already released. You can talk on a phone if old cases are there, new cases are also there. You don't say no to the patient. Take the cases and provide them medicines using the technology like Dunzo and Swiggy. So take the payment through the Google Pay or Paytm. It's all now, there is a revolution. There is like the digital world revolution. So all dear homeopaths, right from the small villages or any place, please update yourself, upgrade yourself. So this is your role during lockdown. Maintain social distancing and protective kit. Even after your clinic is started, the patient, those who are coming, give them appointment. One patient appointment, if you have given 4, give another patient 4:30. Ask them to come in time. Don't entertain. Keep distance. Daily the criteria are changing. Nowadays they are telling keep 8 feet distance. So keep updated. Have your plan ready. How you are going to do the things. Keeping yourself protective. Use the protective kit, mask. Don't take the things lightly. After lockdown, maintain safe distance in clinic, keeping an eye upon the government's act related to relaxations, prohibitions, opportunities, and easing of some businesses, etc. proves to be beneficial. Be positive, stay healthy, and spread positivity among your employees. Never bring any negative thought in your mind during this period. Only think about positive. Read motivational books and also some valuable books to upgrade your skill levels. Join some online courses. I know all of you are doing that, but now think of your practice as well to benefit your business and avoid watching news channels during this lockdown period. Be safe, stay kind, this shall pass. Thank you, friends.